Hello everyone, today we are going to study Sam and the Secret Call. Sam and his parents have been coming to the same island every summer. Ever since he could remember, they always stay in the same small house which has a fantastic view of the glittering sea. The first evening back on the island, Sam and his family decided to go out to their favorite island restaurant, Ocean. While they are eating dinner, Dominic, the head waiter, tells them about his cousin, Armando. He says that Armando has a boat and can take Sam swimming with the dolphins. Armando even has a secret call that brings the dolphins to him. Sam is very excited to hear this. The next day, Sam's family takes him to meet Armando. Will Sam get to swim with the dolphins? Read it to find. Now, in this story, we are going to talk. There is Sam, and he, along with his parent, went to a restaurant. Its name was Ocean, and there they found Dominic. And Dominic had a cousin. उसका नाम क्या था? Armando. Armando जो था, he was very, he had secret call. वो अपने अलग सी आवाज में बुला लेता था किसको? डॉल्फिन्स को, ठीक है? तो अब देखते हैं कि सैम जो है मिल पाता है डॉल्फिन से या नहीं. लेट्स सी. सो उसके पेरेंट्स जो है सैम को कहाँ ले जाते हैं? आर्मेंडो से मिलने के लिए. This was time to go. Sam waved goodbye to his family as the little boat clugged out to sea. Clugged out to sea means started going towards the sea. It was time to go. Sam waved goodbye. That means the Sam is now going into the sea to see the dolphins. Armando threw him a life jacket. Put this on, he said. I have promised your mother that you will wear it. So Armando gave him a life jacket so that if he falls in water, he can just be saved. Lying on the small deck with the clugging of the boat in his ears and a gentle sea breeze fanning his face, Sam almost fell asleep. Now, when he was, lying on the deck of the boat or in the front of the boat, the higher raised portion of the boat where he was lying, he could hear the sound of the boat that was moving and the wind that was touching his face as if it is providing him the fan, like a fan. And so he fast went off to sleep. वो सो गया. At last, Armando's voice brought him wide awake. उसके बाद उसने Armando की आवाज सुनी और जाग गया. Okay, Sam, we hear now. We hear now. Yes, help me drop the anchor, please. Armando and Sam dragged the heavy anchor to the side of the boat and then heaved it into the water. अब एंकर होता है एक वो चीज जिससे बोट रुक जाती है. बहुत लोहे का होता है, बहुत बड़ा. वो अगर डाल देते हैं तो बोट जो है वहां पर एक जगह स्टेडी हो जाती है. ठीक है. Now we whistled for the dolphins, Armando said. Whistle means आवाज लगाएंगे, सीटी बजाएंगे. Armando put his thumb together and blew thinly through the gap between them. A strange noise came out, halfway between the whistle and the hoot of an owl. So जो उसने thumbs मुंह में रखे और whistle बजाई तो उससे ऐसी आवाज है जैसे owl बोलते हैं और whistle का mix कुछ आवाज सी आई. Sam copied Armando exactly, but when he blew, no sound came out of it. So जब सैम ने भी वही बजाई वैसी चल कोशिश करी बजाने की, विसल बजाने की, तो सैम नहीं बजा पाया जैसे आर्मेंडो बजा रहा था. So he was not able to take out that sound at all. I tell you it is difficult, laughed Armando. He made the same strange whistling noise again. Look, cried Armando, pointing. Here they come. Armando ने फिर दोबारा से वही whistle बजाई और फिर उसने क्या कहा, देखो कौन आ रहा है. कौन आ रहा था उस समय? Dolphins. Sam couldn't believe his eyes. On the horizon, heading straight for the boat, was a small school of dolphins. A group of dolphins is known as a school of dolphins, right? So he saw that on the horizon means where you can see the sky and the water meeting. वहां से उसने देखा कि छोटा सा ग्रुप डॉल्फिन का आ रहा है. They were about 12 of them and they were leaping through the waters and crisscrossing each other. और वो 12 के 12 जो है एक दूसरे को के ऊपर से कूदते फानते इसके पास आ रहे थे. किसके पास? आर्मेंडो के पास. Now I show you something, said Armando. Armando threw a fish out of the boat and the dolphin leaped into the air and caught it. Now he threw, उसने एक मछली हवा में फेंकी और डॉल्फिन ने निकल के उसे एकदम से पकड़ लिया, कॉट कर लिया, पकड़ लिया. प्लीज प्लीज मे आई स्विम विद देम, बेग्ड सैम. अब सैम ने कहा कि क्या मैं इनके साथ स्विम कर लूं. उसे बहुत अच्छा लगा, उसने बार बार बोला मैं इनके साथ स्विम कर लूं. श्योर, जंप राइट इन, लाफ्ड अर्मेंडो. सो सैम डोव इनटू द वाटर. तो उसने कहा कि जल्दी से जंप कर जाओ, तुम इनके साथ स्विम करो. तो सैम ने क्या करा, एकदम कूद गया पानी में. A few dolphins leaped through the air, then dived just below the surface while Sam swam alongside. तो जो डॉल्फिन थी वो हवा में कूदने लगी, नीचे डाइव करने लगी, और जहां पर सैम जो था स्विम कर रहा था उसके पास पास डॉल्फिन भी स्विम करने लग गई. The other dolphins swam close by as if trying to catch him. कुछ कुछ डॉल्फिन एकदम सैम के पास पास स्विम कर रही थी, जैसे उसे खेलना चाह रही हो, पकड़ना चाह रही हो. It was the most amazing game Sam had ever played. He swam and played with the dolphins for a long time until he finally heard Armando's voice from the boat. तो थोड़ी देर तक खेलता रहा, डॉल्फिन से स्विम करता रहा. फिर उसको किसकी आवाज आई, अरमैंडो की. कहाँ से आई आवाज, बोट से आई. Sam, you must come aboard now. Aboard means you must go into the boat now. We must go back. Aboard means boat में वापस चढ़ जाना. Sam climbed aboard as Armando started the engine and turned the boat around. जैसे ही सैम ऊपर चढ़ा बोट में, वैसे ही उसने इंजन स्टार्ट करा. किसने, अरमैंडो ने, और बोट को घुमा लिया. You have a good time. You have a good time. Yes, asked Armando. The best time of my life, replied Sam. Please teach me the whistle to call them. I promise I won't tell anyone else. अब सैम को इतना अच्छा लगा, उसने आर्मेंडो से कहा कि आप मुझे विसल बजाना सिखा दो, जिससे आप किसको बुलाते हो, डॉल्फिन्स को बुलाते हो, ठीक है. और उसने कहा कि मैं किसी को नहीं बताऊंगा. Armando thought for a moment. Then he sat on the deck and showed Sam the exact position the thumb should be in the exact pressure Sam should blow through them with his lips. तो अब अल्मैंडो ने थोड़ा सोचा, फिर बोला चलो मैं सिखा देता हूँ. तो उसने अपने थंब को मुंह में रखा और प्रेशर लगाया हवा का लिप्स के बीच में से, so that a particular sound should come. After half an hour and many failed attempts, Sam finally blew through his thumb and out came a perfect whistle. और आधे घंटे तक सैम प्रैक्टिस करता रहा, बहुत बार फेल हुआ, लेकिन धीरे धीरे प्रैक्टिस करके उसने एक बार बिल्कुल परफेक्ट विसल निकाली. ब्रिलियंट, नाउ यू कैन डू इट, सेड अरमेंडो. जब उसकी विसल आई तो अरमेंडो ने क्या बोला, ब्रिलियंट, बहुत अच्छा करा, और अब तुम विसल बजा सकते हो. By now the wind was strong, the sea was choppy, and the little boat was swaying in the water. Wind कैसी थी, strong हो गई थी, right? Sea was choppy means वो ऐसी होती है जैसे बिल्कुल ऊपर नीचे काटने वाली होती है, जैसे बोट को अब बिल्कुल काट देगी. The large wave crashed over द साइड ऑफ द बोट. एक बहुत बड़ी सी वेव आई और बिल्कुल साइड में जाके टकरा गई, किसके, बोट के. थ्रोइंग अरमैंडो ऑन द फ्लोर वेयर ही ले विदाउट मूविंग. अरमैंडो को क्या करा, कहाँ के फ्लोर पे फेंका, बोट के फ्लोर पे. बोट के जो नीचे सरफेस होता है उस पे उसको गिरा दिया उस वेव ने. क्यों गिरा दिया, बिकॉज साइड में हिट करा. जिधर अरमैंडो बैठा तो अरमैंडो गिर गया, and Armando was not able to move. Sam tried to revive him, but it did not work. अब Sam ने कोशिश करी उसको revive करना, मीन्स होश लाने में, but वो नहीं हुआ होश में. Sam looked around nervously. All he could see around him was the blue waters of the sea. He had never felt so lonely before. He looked at Armando again. वो जब उसने देखा कि वो बिल्कुल होश में नहीं आ रहा है तो बहुत डर गया और नर्वस हो गया, और उसने चारों तरफ देखा, क्या था, there was only water and he was feeling so lonely. तो उसने एक बार फिर से अरमैंडो की तरफ देखा. Where can I get help, wondered Sam. He had an idea. He put his thumbs in his mouth in the correct position and blew through the gap between them. The whistle came out long and low, cutting through the noise of the rain and the wind. Again and again he whistled. So now when he saw that कि अब कोई help नहीं आ सकती, तो उसने सोचा मैं whistle बजा के किसको बुलाता हूँ, dolphins को बुलाता हूँ. So he tried to whistle. And how he was whistling, he put the thumb in his mouth in the correct position and he tried to blow the wind through the gap between them. And whistle जो है बहुत long थी, लेकिन क्योंकि इतना noise हो रहा था, it was raining, it was windy, and the sea was choppy. It was really very loud. So what happened? The sound was not heard very clear. Then he heard a noise, and there they were, 30 or 40 of them swimming through the waves towards him. They surrounded the boat and began to push it along using their heads. Now, उसने क्या देखा, he saw the 30 to 40 dolphins उसके साथ swim करके आ रही हैं, and उनके अपने head से उन्होंने they tried to push the boat towards the shore. They wanted to help them out. Sam was so relieved that He wanted to cry. The dolphins pushed the little boat for many hours until the storm had passed and the sky was clear. Now, the dolphins were holding the boat, they were pushing the boat, and they वो with Sam and the boat. And Sam was, he was so relieved. उसको इतनी राहत मिली कि उसका मन हुआ कि वो रो पड़े, लेकिन क्योंकि वो एकदम अकेला पड़ गया था तो उसको लगा at least there was someone to help him out. Up on the deck, Sam had tried to make Armando as comfortable as possible. Suddenly, Armando groaned and sat up. उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि सैम ने कोशिश करी कि अरमांडो को कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन में लिटा पाए. थोड़ी देर में देखता है कि अरमांडो स्टार्टेड मूविंग, उसकी आवाज आई एंड देन ही sat up. उसके बाद वो बैठ गया उठ के. ओह माय हेड, व्हाट हैपेंड, ही आस्क्ड. किसने पूछा? अरमांडो ने पूछा कि मेरे हेड को क्या हुआ, व्हाट हैपेंड. You knocked your head when a wave crashed on the boat, so I whistled for the dolphins and they saved us. Who said this? Sam. Breathlessly, मतलब इतनी फटाफट बोला क्योंकि उसको लगा अरे वाह, Armando is now, able to sit and able to speak. तो एकदम excited हो गया. And he said that, you were knocked at the head, आपके सर पे चोट लगी थी, and you were, unconscious. And I called the dolphins and they came. Incredible, Armando said. In all my years, I never see anything like this. It is a good thing I teach you to whistle. So Armando कहता है incredible, wow, ये तो बहुत अच्छा काम हुआ. इतने सालों में मैंने ऐसा नहीं देखा. It is good कि मैंने आपको ये सिखाया. It is good that I taught you whistling. Armando leaned down to the dolphins. Thank you, my friends. I fixed the engine. Well now, you can rest. तो उन्हें dolphins को कहा thank you और अब मैं अपना इंजन फिक्स कर लेता हूँ बोट का और अब आप लोग रेस्ट करो. Thank you so much. The dolphins stopped pushing, slowly turned around, and then joyfully leaped through the waves back out to sea. Dolphins उसकी बात समझ गई, and then they slowly went back into the sea, and now Armando was about to fix the engine of the boat. Thank you, my friends. You saved my life. Now, who is saying this? Yelled Sam, waving at them. Now, Sam was so excited that he yelled at them, shouted at them, and says, Thank you, my friends. You saved my life. No longer after, not longer after, the engine roared to life. Not longer after means just after few minutes, some time. थोड़े कुछ ही समय बाद, 10-15 मिनट के बाद engine start हो गया. We will be back very soon, said Armando at the wheel. Well, young Sam, what a day you had. Ah, so now this Armando said, wow, we will be back soon. We'll be on the we'll be on the land and we'll be able to walk on the land now. And he said that what a day it was. कि सैम उसको लगा आर्मेंडो को कि ये कैसा दिन था आज सैम, तुम्हारे लिए तो बड़ा एक्साइटिंग दिन रहा. But Sam wasn't listening. He was watching the last of the dolphins flying like a bird through the golden water, its majestic fin glinting in the rays of the setting sun. Now, what does glinting means? Glinting means sparkling, shining. So, what happened when the dolphins, they were just jumping and enjoying. They were jumping so high that it looked as if a bird is flying and then going into the water. And because it was the time when the sunset was happening, so the water appeared to be golden. And the majestic fins, the fins होते हैं जिससे वो swim करती है, वो इतना shine कर रहे थे. They were glinting. And this glinting was, at least it was looking as if it's sparkling. And therefore, he was just observing the dolphins. He was not listening to Armando. Right? So this was a story about this little boy and Armando who were in the sea excitingly, and they were trying to experience. Who was trying to experience? Sam was trying to experience the beauty of the dolphins. Choose the correct answer. She looked tired. I think she needed the rest. Okay. Now this is the language part of it. Let me see. Do we have the literature part in this? Okay, the literature question answers are, this is the word meaning that is there. And therefore, we will create our own literature part and we'll set up a worksheet so that we can discuss more about this particular story. Bye-bye. Take care.